Hey everyone. So I picked up this this little toolbox here on Facebook Marketplace. I've always wanted one. I guess I could have went and bought new, but this was only 30 bucks. I think there was 70 bucks at Home Depot plus tax, so saved a little bit, but she's a little rough, but I might paint it. But anyway, the drawers work. I'm going to use it for the back of my truck. And just put basic tools in it. Oh, it's got a Warren sticker in it. Cool. I don't have a Warren winch, but I might get one. So yeah, I just want something for the truck. Put in the back of the truck for when I need something. So they all slide. I think it used to lock, but I'm not sure if somebody cut something out of here, and that's when this goes down and lock it. But I think somebody took the lock out of there, so now the drawers don't lock. Not a big deal. I could probably put something down here with a hinge on it and then lock it up here. I mean, the reality is somebody is just going to walk away with it anyway. So, it's got a little dent here. I might paint it actually. I was thinking what I might do is do like a Ryobi color on it. Really bright. That would be kind of neat. It's got an old calendar on it here. Warning. In the back of it. Yeah, it's got a little overspray on it and that. Sticker on that side. But I picked up some tools on sale. So that one seems to lock a little bit. Yeah, it's locked if I push it down, but if I pull up, pull it out. Now that one does nothing. That one does nothing. That one locks if you push it down a little bit, so it must be catching right there. Anyway, good little toolbox. I'm going to start putting some tools in it. I'd say she's probably about 35 pounds or so. She's got some weight to her. It's a Husky. So, you know, for the beating around in the back of the truck, you know, what can you get for 30 bucks? You know, not that bad of a deal, I don't think. Instead of buying new and having to pay tax on it and everything. So one thing I bought at sale at Princess Auto was on sale for $16.99, and I use these a lot. Number one thing I'd have in my pickup truck in the side door is a pair of these. You know, usually about mid-size or larger. You can pretty much do anything with them if you're stuck on the side of the road. Like, you can take plates off, you can hose clamps if you need to. You know, one of these and a screwdriver is your best friend. So $16.99. I have a pair, 2 or 3 pair, but one of them's getting wore out, and it's just it keeps slipping all the time. So for $16.99, I'm going to try these. I think they're regular $39.99. And they're 4-piece groove joint pliers set from Mr. Blacksmith at Princess Auto. 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. Carbon steel, PVC grips, and I think that's the part number there, or that barcode number 8997306. Yeah, so good little set. I'm going to take them out and see what they're like, and I'll be putting a couple of these in this toolbox. Oh yeah, there's the big set. What am I doing wrong here? They seem a little tight, these ones, but they're working. Yeah, these ones. Nice, good feel on them too. Little guys. So I'm probably going to put a big pair of those in. Big pair to have in the truck. These I'll probably do something else with. And then another thing I'm going to put in here. I've got this at a garage sale a long time ago. Big crescent wrench. This is good for taking the balls off the truck hitch, because I'm always doing that with travel trailers and that. So that's going to go up in the top here. That'll go up there at the top. That'll be its home. I'll probably put a monkey wrench in there as well. But yeah, $30, Husky portable toolbox tour. Check back. I'm going to go through and put everything that I think I need for my truck in this toolbox, and then the toolbox is going to go in the truck. So check back in, and I'll make a list and put all the tools that I'm going to have in here for the back of my truck. So when that video is available, it'll be down in the link below. Just check the link below for the video description for the next video, part 2. And yeah, guys, ciao for now. Check it out.